Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to open and close the hood on my 2026 Toyota Corolla LE. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions and refer to the owner's manual of your vehicle for all of the specifics. Okay, I'm on the driver's side of my vehicle, and then right down here, right there, is the latch to start to open the hood. This will pop the hood open, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so the hood has popped up a little bit, so I'm going to support it with one hand, and with the other hand, right where my finger is pointing, there is a latch, and I need to move that latch towards me. I will get you a closer look at the latch once I get the hood opened, but I'm going to move that latch towards me, and then once I do that, I'm going to lift up the hood with my other hand. Okay, and now I'm using both hands to lift the hood up, and right here there's a stand, and it's attached to the bottom part of the hood. So I'm just going to unattach this, just like that, and then just move this right to where it goes down here. And I'll get you a closer look of this as well. And you want to make sure that this is secured into place all the way before you take your other hand off of the hood. Okay, so hood is open. And here is where the stand fit in on my car. And there is an arrow pointing to where the stand fits in on my car. Here's a look at the stand. And where the stand attaches on the bottom of the hood. And here's the latch that I needed to move to be able to lift up the hood. Okay, and now to close the hood, and before you close the hood, make sure that you remove anything that's not supposed to be under the hood. Okay, so I'm going to support the hood with one hand and lift up on the hood a little bit, and when I do that, I'm removing the stand from the car. And now I'm just going to clip the stand back into place where it goes underneath the hood. And when you do this, just make sure that it's secured all the way into place. And now I'm going to support the hood with both hands, and I'm going to lower it down. And I'm just holding on to the hood with both of my hands here, right about here. And what I'm going to do is just remove both of my hands at the same time. And I'm holding the hood right about here. And when you do this, you just obviously want to be careful. Okay, so I'm just going to remove both of my hands at the same time and allow the hood to close into place. Just like that. And now, I want to check to make sure that the hood is secured all the way into place. And it's important to make sure that the hood closed securely all the way. So I'm just going to fit my fingers where I can underneath the hood. And I'm just verifying that the hood is closed all the way by lifting up on the hood where I can fit my fingers. And that's important because if the hood did not close all the way, when you're driving, wind can get underneath the hood and potentially maybe lift the hood open while you're driving, which is incredibly dangerous. So if the hood did not close all the way when you tried to close it, you can try again, but it is important to make sure that the hood closes securely all the way. If it does not close securely all the way, there might be something else going on, so just keep that in mind. Alright guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I do have other videos about my Toyota Corolla, and I plan to make future videos about my Toyota Corolla. So if you did like this video, please consider subscribing if you're not already so we can stay connected. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!